So how do you turn off the Apple Watch sound? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, on your Apple Watch, to manage the sound, click the side button to access the control center, and there is the ability to switch the Apple Watch into the silent mode. It just means that your notifications are going to be silent whenever you receive a call, or if there is something else that could produce a sound, it's going to be muted, right? So you turn off the sound for all of these alerts and all that kind of stuff. However, you might also just play some random things, like you may play a music through Shazam, or you can play some videos sent over iMessage, right? And those things can also like produce sound and make the Apple Watch like a volume, right? So this is like a separate thing, like a separate toggle on the Apple Watch, because instead, I mean, still in the control center, just swipe up a little bit more, and there is like a volume slider for the like content or whatever you are watching on the Apple Watch, and that is a separate thing. Of course, just wanting to mention it as well, because there you can also just like turn off the sound, right? So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work, or if you found it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later.